Welcome to the 2021 Spring Clean With Me Mega Montage. This is a video that I look forward to doing like all the time, but this year things are a little bit different because as you can see, I am very pregnant. I am 33 weeks right now and feeling every single bit of it. It is really hard to keep up with stuff around the house, and spring cleaning is definitely going to look a whole lot different this year. As a result, I am taking my time and focusing on the tasks that are going to make the biggest impact around my house, and I know a lot of you are trying to do the same, which is why I created the spring cleaning master list with everything that you need to make sure that your house is in the best shape possible. Normally I would clean by room, but in the past I've found that to be really frustrating because sometimes spring cleaning one room, like the living room, can take you all day. And then your family gets a hold of it and they make a mess of everything, and it just doesn't feel like you're actually making progress. In reality, tidying happens room by room, but deep cleaning happens task by task. And spring cleaning is all about making sure that your home is actually deeply cleaned and not just tidied. We tidy our houses every day. These are the things that are going to make a big impact, which is why I sorted it by the type of cleaning task that you're going to be doing rather than by room. Let me walk you guys through it. If you're like me and you're taking your time with spring cleaning this year, then you can tackle one of these a day or even break it up into multiple days each. For stripping, if you've seen my laundry stripping tutorial, you know that it takes about 4 hours per session. So this is something that you might just want to check something off the list, like every single time you do another task, like if you're doing the floors one day, then you just want to do maybe your towels for stripping, because that does take a little bit longer. But if you've seen my tutorial on how it's done, you know that it is so worth it. It is like one of the most satisfying cleaning tasks that you can do. To make it super easy for you guys, I organized everything else by the type of cleaning solution that you can make or buy from the store. For example, I have floor cleaner, which I use 1 scoop of powder Tide in hot water, and a steam mop. We have hardwood floors all through our house, and then I go room by room, spray the cleaner on the floor and steam mop over it to make sure that it is sanitized and deeply clean, to get like grimy stuff off the floor that sometimes can stick. And then there's also a carpet cleaner recipe in here for your rooms in your house that have carpet or really big area rugs like we have in the living room. Today's video is going to be a massive montage of a bunch of my other most popular cleaning videos that I've ever posted here on YouTube. I've been doing this for a little over a year now, and some of these videos you guys have just absolutely loved and given me the best feedback on, especially ones that focus on particular deep cleaning tasks. I think you guys are really going to like the video where I cleaned my dishwasher. I got so many DMs on Instagram when I made that about people who just had no idea that they had to be cleaning their dishwasher filter. So print out this checklist. It is front and back with a whole bunch of resources on how to clean different areas in your room. Really go ahead and print out your checklist. It is filled with all types of resources that you can use to give your home a deep clean. And watch this video along with me. It is going to be a long one, so you can pop it on your TV while you clean and feel motivated and inspired and like I'm right there with. Today's video is a collab with my friend Ashley Higgins. I met her here on YouTube, and she is the most adorable Yorkie mom. Yorkie was my first dog that I ever had, and I missed her so much. I've always wanted another one, so I really like watching her videos and following her on Instagram so I can see my dream puppy. But she is doing a deep clean of her living room. It's actually 2 parts because first of all, her living room is beautiful and giant and amazing, but also she just did such a thorough job. So if you're looking for deep cleaning motivation for the rest of your house, watch this video, then hop on over there. If you're joining me now and you've already seen her video, welcome. I'm glad you found my channel, and I'm just gonna jump right into it because I have a feeling this is gonna take me all day long. Like any other room in the house, I like to clean from the top down, so we're going to start with my open shelves on this side of the kitchen. I got them from Amazon. If you see anything in here that you just think you might like, it's likely linked in the description, so you can check it out there. And then we're going to move to the other side of the kitchen and start wiping down cabinets.
I get so caught up in the middle, thinking of drowning in those blue eyes. I'm losing sight 'cause I am falling. I'm so deep down, deep down. And it's not a lie that I die. I can't hide what this is. Yeah, I keep drowning in those blue eyes, and you can tell me all of your lies. I will put out all of the fire if it gets too dark. I'll be your light. Be your light. I'll be your light if it gets too dark. I'll be.
When we renovated the kitchen last year, I knew I wanted these open shelves in the kitchen, and they just let in so much more light. But this mirror tray that I keep on the top shelf helps bounce a lot more light around. I put it behind the lamp that sits on the top shelf, and it's enough light to light the kitchen at night without me having to turn on anything else.
I will put out all of the fire. We stumble and fall. And it's not a lie that I die. I can't hide what this is. Yeah, I keep drowning in those blue eyes, and you can tell me all of your lies. I will put out all of the fire if it gets too dark. I'll be your light. Be your light. I'll be your light if it gets too dark. I'll be your light. Be your light. I'll be your light if it gets too dark. I am running for you. I am running for you. I am running for you.
These boxwood balls are some of my favorite decorations in the entire house. I just balance them on top of white vases, so it looks like I have greenery in the vase. But they do collect a lot of dust, and I have to take them down and dust everything pretty often. I just wipe it down with a microfiber cloth and kind of like scrub the leaves a little bit to get anything off. Again, they trap everything in there. I find dog hair in there and stuff. I pretty much have to take them down and wipe them down every single week. So a really pretty decoration, but a whole lot of work.
It gets too dark. I'll be your light. I don't wanna stay here, no. Ain't gonna keep it low now. If you wanna go, let's go. Let's wrap it up and hit the road. I just got an awesome vibe, striking the winner post now. Liberty's on my mind. We've taken off, we've left the ground. You gotta understand that we get one chance, one chance. You will never regret the things that we'll do. 'Cause I
you don't follow Aftertap over on Instagram, she posted the Magic Eraser Challenge last night, and I have been dying to do it because there's so many grimy things in my kitchen that just need to be scrubbed down. We don't have stone countertops. We still have these really inexpensive ones that were in here when we bought the house, and we just don't have the money or the time to replace them right now. And the people who owned the house before us scrubbed the countertops with something really abrasive like steel wool, and now the tops are just really rough and they absorb pretty much anything we put on them. So I find myself having to use a magic eraser to scrub all the stains off like all the time. So I knew that this magic eraser challenge was gonna be a doozy. You're gonna see this bad boy put in some work in this video. Just make sure that you do clean off your countertops if you do use a magic eraser on them, because it is gonna leave a residue, and obviously you shouldn't use them on stone or anything else like that. I don't use them on my cabinets. Oh my god, that's so disgusting, because our cabinets are painted and I'd hate to rub off some of the paint. I just use them on the doors and windows. Anything that gets touched a lot and might get little Annie B fingerprints on them, stuff like that. But one area that it does work really effectively is over on the window behind our sink, where we splash stuff up while we're washing it a lot.
Want your kisses in the morning light, wanna be next to you every night. No, I shouldn't love you, but I might, 'cause your lips, they taste like cherry wine. You're no good for me, we're so bittersweet, but I still want you, I do. Baby, can't you see what you do to me? I just can't resist you. You got me drunk in love, I can't sleep. I need to sober up from this dream, but I can't deny you. I can't deny you. Na 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 na. Stay with me until tomorrow. Could you be the one to kill my sorrows? Maybe one night you can play the hero, even if I know it's only for show. You're no good for me, we're so bittersweet, but I still want.
If you're thinking, my god, give that magic eraser a break, you haven't seen anything yet, because we are about to put it to work in the dishwasher. I thought I was deep cleaning my dishwasher correctly, but you're gonna see here in a minute just how bad it is. But look at all the stuff. Like, I just cleaned this last month, and all the buildup around the edges and the stains from food are just so disgusting. So we're gonna use the magic eraser to just kind of do an aesthetic clean, get any of the stains off, and then I'm going to show you how to really deep clean your dishwasher, because I promise you it is worse than you think. Okay, so that was only the aesthetic part of cleaning your dishwasher. There's, it's an older dishwasher, it gets stained really easily, so I like to scrub it with that just to make sure that there are no food stains on the door. But now is the part where you are actually going to clean your dishwasher, and I just want to warn you, if you have a weak stomach, if you're pregnant and nauseous, You are not going to want to watch this next part. I'm telling you, like, I do this once a year. And I just did it. And I might do it once a week now. I guarantee you, the majority of you probably have never cleaned this part of your dishwasher. And you are about to be absolutely wrecked. It does not matter if you have a new dishwasher. This still needs to be done. Pull out the filter in your dishwasher. First, I'm going to show you how I'm about to clean it, so you know what to do. Prepare yourselves. To make the cleaning solution for the filter, you're going to want to fill up your sink just a little ways with warm to hot water. Definitely don't do boiling water or anything that would create steam, because we are going to add about a cup of bleach to it, and I wouldn't want you breathing in those vapors. What really seals the deal is adding about a teaspoon or 2 teaspoons of Tide powdered laundry detergent. That's like my secret formula for making this really great cleaning solution. You might recognize this cleaning solution that I've used in the past to clean off our kitchen cabinets. It's the only thing that I think is really safe and gentle enough to use on our painted cabinets that it won't be abrasive to the paint that we put on there, and I just use a microfiber cloth to wipe them down. But right now I'm going to use this one in particular to clean that filter from the dishwasher, which you are about to see. So sit down, and I hope you're not eating any food. Okay, are you ready? I don't want to show you this. I really don't, because I'm ashamed, but if this is what it takes to get you to deep clean your dishwasher, then so be it. Oh my god, I don't even want to touch it. Touch me, touch me, touch me. Whew. Oh my god. Clean your dishwasher today. Stop what you're doing. Whatever you are doing right now is not as important as this. To finish up, we're going to sprinkle baking soda inside of the dishwasher before we run it on an extra hot sanitization cycle. If you used any bleach at all, I would not recommend using vinegar, because bleach and vinegar mixed together creates a really potent chemical that you will not want to be breathing in. So I'm just using baking soda, but if you didn't use bleach, you can put a cup of vinegar in the top of your dishwasher to really clean it out. I don't like to wait until my microwave gets really dirty to clean it, and when you get up close you can kind of see there are splatters and just grease and grime in all the corners, but it's not like spaghetti exploded in here. Plus this helps get control of like really deep smells, like when you pop popcorn in the microwave. So all you need is a bowl of water, and then I just add a splash of white vinegar, and then I cut up a couple slices of lemon and float them in the water. You can make sure this is a microwave safe bowl, by the way, obviously, but you just put that directly into the microwave and run it for 3 minutes on high, or just as long as you see that it's steaming up the inside of the microwave. That's pretty much enough. And when it's done, all you're going to have to do is wipe it out with a sponge, which is just so easy. It's so much better than actually scrubbing everything out of the inside. If you thought the dishwasher was gross, you probably need to check out your coffee maker, because they generally go ignored when it comes to deep cleaning. Thankfully, we have the Ninja, which comes with a self-cleaning function. All I do is fill up the water reserve with 1 part water, 1 part vinegar, and run it. It takes about an hour, and you can watch it count down so you know exactly how long it's going to be until it's done. And I do it really regularly, so ours doesn't come out very dirty, but if you haven't done it in a while, I think you're going to be really shocked at what comes out of it. point. I'm officially about to keel over, but there's still a little bit to be done. I don't like to do everything at once because that would be like an all-day cleaning video, and you guys don't have time for that and I don't have time for that. So I like to do it in bite-sized chunks. Next time, I think I'm going to clean out inside the cabinets and do a kitchen organize and clean video. If that's something that you'd be interested in, let me know in the comments, or if you'd rather me do like a pantry organization video or a fridge clean out, I can do those too. I just want you guys to vote on it. Let me know what you'd like. Put it in the comments or DM me on Instagram if you'd prefer. I'd love to see you over there. If you are watching my video first, don't forget to head over to Ashley Higgins' channel. I will put the link in my description so you can go watch that video next. She is absolutely shredding her living room to pieces just for you guys, and it's really motivational. If you like this video, like and subscribe. We'd love to have you here as a part of the community, and Annie B would love to play with you guys virtually all the time. What is it, dear? You want that spoon? She's so funny. I'm gonna go tire this girl out so that I can vacuum and mop the floors while she's asleep. What do you think about that? Yeah, there's peanut butter on that. Is it good? I'll see you guys next time.
What it's like to feel your skin. I will keep on trying till you give me a sign. Give me a sign. Oh, give me a sign. Baby, give me a sign. Just give me one more. You leave me hanging, begging for more. Think that I'm addicted to this, can't resist to be a little risky and go for it, cause I want you close. I'm so exposed when you're keeping me wondering. You know I'd do anything to be in your arms again. So give me a sign. Give me a sign. Oh, give me a sign. Baby, give me a sign. Just give me one more. Talking to you and here we go again. Staying up all night to see if you've been texting me. Where do we go from here? I wanna go all in. So give me a sign. Give me a sign. I just wanna let you know I could go for this, no more tricks. We could take things slow. Say you think about it too. When the lights go out and there's no doubt that I should be with, that I should be. We've been on and off again and again. I don't know which way we're going, no control. You push me, then you pull me back in. We've been on and off again and again. I don't know which way we're going, no control. You push me, then you pull me back in. So give me a sign. Give me a sign. Oh, baby, just give me a sign. Baby, give me a sign. Just give me one more. Talking to you and here we go again. Staying up all night to see if you've been texting me. Where do we go from here? I wanna go all in. So give me a sign. Yeah. Give me a sign. Yeah, give me a sign. Just give me a sign. Baby, give me a sign. Give me a sign. Just give me a sign. Just give me a sign. Give me a sign. Just give me one more.
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It has been almost 2 weeks since I made my last video, and it has been very refreshing to take some time for myself, for my family. This is the longest break I have ever taken from YouTube, but I am so glad to be back making mommy lifestyle and cleaning videos for you over here on YouTube. And of course, I never took a break from Instagram because I never take a break from Instagram. But today, my house just kind of looks like it's been hit by a bus, and there are stickers all over everything and sand everywhere because we've been going to the beach. So I'm gonna really take my time and do a deep, thorough clean of the house. This took me almost 4.5 hours to do everything, and honestly it's still not even done, but There will be more cleaning videos on a different day. As per usual, we are starting in the living room. Some people like to start with the hardest room, but I start with the easiest because this becomes the staging area for all the stuff that I put away in other rooms. So I start by wiping down surfaces and then I vacuum. That way I get up everything that I pushed off onto the floor. And I'm going to vacuum with both my Dyson and my Roomba today because this wool rug, it's just practically impossible to keep clean. It needs like the max level Dyson and then the Roomba on top of it to get it totally thoroughly cleaned. And if you're noticing, I'm literally like pressing the Dyson into it. You would not believe how much it picks up, and I vacuum every single day. But the Roomba will do the rest of the work, especially cleaning under the couch, because I know for a fact that there are probably a whole box worth of Cheerios under there.
Just a little bit foolish. I feel so young.
I was taking a break to eat some lunch, vibing out on the Discover page on Instagram, and I saw someone doing something that I initially thought was like kind of crazy, but now I'm wondering, is this part of my house dirtier than I think it is? They swiffered their walls with just the Swiffer sweeper pads, and what came off like kind of blew my mind. So I'm gonna try it. I'm gonna see what comes off my living room walls, because between the dust and the dog hair, I know it's gonna be something. Okay, I don't even know that the camera is gonna do it justice, but I mean, like, yikes. As per usual, I am equal parts impressed and disgusted, because this is just our living room. I'm gonna have to Swiffer all the walls in our house now. I'll show you how I did it. So this was particularly convenient up here. I know you guys probably can't see those few little black spots on the ceiling, but those are just like cobwebs and dust. Oh my God, sorry, that's Annie. So I could just like wipe those off really quickly and easily with the Swiffer, and that I think is where most of the dust came from, but also like around our vents up here, which these really need to be taken down and cleaned anyway. But one spot I noticed where the absolute most came off, it was so gross, was when you get over the door frames like this and you drag it across the top. There was so much dust up there. I could probably stand to go over them a second time, but really just going over your walls like this, you're gonna be really mind blown by what comes off. Like, I can't believe how dirty our walls are, and we didn't even know it.
For so long, I've been trying to get you out of my head. Oh yeah, but somehow I always seem to wake up in your bed. Baby, if we talk for a minute, wanna love you.
Since summertime rolled around, we started a nightly tradition of having like a little bit of ice cream on the porch, and I noticed little ice cream smears that were turning into like mold, which is so gross, and they're everywhere. You don't see them when they happen, but when they start growing mold, they're just really nasty. So I made a solution of a little bit of bleach and a little bit of warm water, and I've been scrubbing them off as I find them. I'm sure there are more recently that I just haven't found yet, but they did come off really easily, so it wasn't that big of a deal, and I know she will smear more ice cream on everything later today, so what are you gonna do? Thank you so much for watching this 4.5 hour speed clean with me. I am very grateful for having you guys along on this journey with me, and that I am able to clean with you, because even though you're not here at my house, you guys are my cleaning accountability partners. If you like this video, please hit the like button, subscribe to my channel. I'm so glad to have you here, and don't forget to follow me over on Instagram at Becs Lynk, BECS.LYNK, and send me a DM if you found me from this video, because I really like hearing from you guys, and I'm so open to feedback and video requests. I just want to know what kind of cleaning motivation you guys are looking for. Have a good one.
'Cause I got to know if you feel the things I do. I might need some help if you let me go. 'Cause I'm flying through the sky and I'm standing a little high.
I bet you think that I should calm down, and that I'm overthinking everything about you, and that we're good the way we are. But I don't know that much about you, what things you like and what you don't. It's not that long since I met you for the first time. You know we should work it out. You know we should work it out. Before I'm too invested, I I should probably ask you all my questions, get to know you better. Like, can you be trusted? Will you take me for granted? And will you let me down? I know I'm feeling something for you. The way you look, the way you laugh, and how you move. It kinda makes me go crazy. But we should take it slow, work things out so you don't let me go. When I come real close, I don't wanna get hurt, 'cause I'm not ready to give you my heart yet. Before I'm too invested, I should probably ask you all my questions, get to know you better. Like, can you be trusted? Will you take me for granted? And will you let me down? Before I'm too invested, we should take it easy. Maybe we could test this and work out our feelings. Baby, will I love you? Tell me, do you want me? And will you let me down? Yeah. La 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 Before I'm too invested, I should probably ask you all my questions, get to know you better. Like, can you be trusted? Will you take me for granted? And will you let me down? Before I'm too invested, we should take it easy. Maybe we could test this and work out our feelings. Baby, will I love you? Tell me, do you want me? And will you let me down?
Today's video is a collab with my friend Michaela. You might know her as Aftertap over on Instagram or here on YouTube. When it comes to learning how to clean and organize all the things in my house, I learned it from her. And like me, she lives on the water where relaxing YouTube footage is abundant. So after you watch this video, be sure to click the link in my description box and head over to her channel. And if you're here for the first time after seeing her video, I'm so happy to have you here. If you like what you see, be sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel. I make 2 new cleaning and lifestyle videos here each week and share more of my motherhood and working from home journey as a freelancer over on my Instagram at Becs Lynk, BECS.LYNK. Alright, now that you've seen what my house really looks like, let's jump right into it and start cleaning this disaster of a house. The best thing about these relaxing cleaning videos is that I don't do voiceovers. You don't have to hear my voice anymore. You just get to relax, listen to music, get some cleaning motivation, and enjoy some satisfying footage of the beach sprinkled in between. Good luck!
Photograph of us
clothes. Doesn't seem so long ago. Now I'm just sitting here bored at home, and it really got me thinking of the times we took off on the road. I can't remember where we headed that night. We were cruising around town in Memphis, running the lights. I just know how it felt. I won't forget that. Windows down and open top. But we were clever not to take it too far, though it's hard not getting tempted. Calling you up to see how you've been, 'cause don't I miss you and all those things we did back then. Way back then. It's funny how times roll by. Is it 12 years since last time? Where'd you go? What's the score? Did you find what you were looking for? I never see you anymore. I can't remember what we did that day. We were blowing off steam in Paris, but I wanted to stay, 'cause I know how it felt when we raised hell. I won't forget that. But we were clever not to take it too far, though it's hard not getting tempted. Calling you up to see how you've been, 'cause don't I miss you and all those things we did back then. Way back then. Killing time, Friday night, found a photograph of us. I can't remember what we did that time. We were spending one night in Venice. It just slipped my mind. I just know how it felt. I won't forget that. Windows down and open top. But we were clever not to take it too far, though it's hard not getting tempted. Calling you up to see how you've been, 'cause don't I miss you and all those things we did back then. Way back then. Way back then. I know that I haven't been who I was. I am supposed to be the one you can trust. I feel so useless 'cause I let you down. I hope there's some way I can make it alright, 'cause I know that you deserve much more than this. If you give me one more chance, I swear I'll try my best to always be there. And I want you to know that I'm lost without you. I'm not without you. I hope I can show what you mean to me, 'cause I don't know what to do if you go. I just don't know what to do if you go.
Why was that so hard?
That you're not good enough, but you're all I need. I take you places that you've never been. I would give you the world if you let me try again. Yeah, just give me one more chance. I swear I'll try my best to always be there. And I want you to know that I'm lost without you. I'm not without you. I hope I can show what you mean to me, 'cause I don't know what to do if you go. I just don't know what to do if you go.
I'll try my best to always be there. And I want you to know that I'm lost without you. I'm known without you. I hope I can show what you mean to me, 'cause I don't know what to do if you go. I just don't know what to do if you go.
Really glad that this mattress protector came in, because I haven't been making our bed because I took off our mattress protector. It was really just old and gross and it needed to be replaced, and because it was waterproof you couldn't really wash it. It would just retain like all the water in the wash and it was just impossible. So it's easier just to throw it out every year and get a new one. So we got a new one, and when I took it off I was like so pleasantly surprised that our mattress is just in such great shape still. Like no stains, and I know that it's not taking in dust mites and stuff because it had that mattress protector in it. So definitely worth the money. It was like 40 bucks, like 40 bucks to get this replacement one. For how much it protects like $1,000 mattress, that's 110% worth it. So now I can finally make the bed and get started on this room, because I don't know if you see behind me, but like, yikes.
Wonder if you think about me like I think of you. Wonder if you dream the way I do. When you look at clouds, do you see faces as I do? Do you get caught by your own thoughts like I do? Wonder what would happen if I showed these words to you. Wonder if you laugh at my simple poetry, or even worse, would you look at me with pity in your eyes, saying I'm great and that you would like to be my friend? 'Cause you got something that my heart just can't ignore, that I've never felt before. And if you go, I wanna go there with you. I see you staring at the shadows on the wall. Wonder if you think about escaping, or do you like the way the sun is dancing in the fall? Maybe you find some peace of mind, maybe not. If I had courage to address you with my speech, yes, if I was brave enough to ask you, I'd ask you if you'd like to run away somewhere with me, a place where we both don't have to run from ourselves. 'Cause you something that my heart just can't ignore, that I've never felt before. And if you go, I wanna go there with you. And even I know we're not supposed to be as close as I wanna be, but if you go, I wanna go there with you. Yes, if you go, I wanna go there with you.
If you haven't done this recently, you might want to add it to your list, because this is 2 chairs in and this microfiber cloth is gross.
Looking up at a tree, I remember how it started. I was lost in a dream when the fire in my heart said, and open rose. I've already found sunlight, the feeling grows, and anything sounds alright. I'm breaking loose, living in the moment in my own balloon.
We work so incredibly hard every single day to keep our houses clean, and it just blows my mind everything that I manage to be able to do in a day, every single day. I never thought my life would look like this, but it's wild. So we've all definitely earned this relaxing beach footage. Sit down, give yourself a pat on the back, and thanks for watching this relaxing clean with me. Don't forget to head over to my friend Michaela's channel. Her link is in my description box. Make sure you watch her video, because today is a collab with her, and she is such a huge inspiration to me and just the most genuinely sweet person on the planet. I will see you guys next time over here on my channel. Make sure you're liked and subscribed so you keep up with everything, and I'll see you next time.
Living